Welcome friends to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the YJ Yulong 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. Firstly, this cube is with the black base. I have ordered it from Amazon. So let's unbox it. Now we have unboxed it. Firstly, this is the box of the cube. So now let's see what's in the box. Here is a simple box from Amazon. Here are the bills. So I will see it later. And there is a manual even inside the box. It is the manual how to solve the Rubik's Cube. So now let's head on to our Rubik's Cube. This is from the YJ company. This is basically a black base cube. So let's start. Now I will open it. The color textures are very good and nice. The corner cuttings are also very smooth. Here the speed is also quite good and no catchiness is there. I think so this is very speedy cube. So it is very quite smooth cube. And the tensions are very smooth. So you can see the corner cutting. Reverse is also quite good. So that was it friends. Be with my channel. I will also upload the tutorials on solving the Rubik's Cube. And please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.